out there magnetfishing. Team Kratos, baby.
Hey y'all, sorry I didn't film the intro or anything. It's my first throw. Looks like I got a hinge and a sock. God love it, it's always a sock. Yeah, let me get this cleaned off and I'll show a few throwing and what I get. Okay, I just threw it back out. Water doesn't look like it, but it is moving today. It's awful muddy. We've had so much rain. I'm sorry I'm snorting and sniffing and stuff. There's George over there. He's on the phone. His brother had to have a either triple or quadruple bypass this morning. We haven't been told which one they did. But it looks like he's in recovery and going to be put in ICU, so at least he, made it through that. They also did a ablation to cure the AFib before they did it. So he's had all kinds of stuff done to his heart this morning. I don't know if his brother's 6 years older than he is. I'm not sure. Oh man, there's something out there. I can't get it. I know his sister's the oldest. Alright, let's see what we got. Turn the camera down so I can see too. Some kind of handle. Looks like a chain link or something that's just been crudded over. I can't tell. Oh, it actually looks like a wash tub handle that's crudded over. Well, we find those all the time. I don't have my mask covering my mouth today, so hopefully you guys will be able to hear what I'm doing instead of hearing blah, 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 blah. That was pretty awful last time. Well, there sure is a lot in this water, and it's going to take forever, and I don't think we'll ever get it cleaned out because there's just so much in it. But it sure was a good spot to come to try. Man, there's something out there that just won't stay on it. Do not know what it is. So today, more than ever, practice good thoughts, good words, good deeds, because got a loved one in the hospital. His brother's such a card. He's got a, what do they call him? Handlebar mustache. Lord, he's crazy. He's so funny. Alright, next pull. Just a bunch of crunching munch. That looks like an oak key. Look at that, that's an oak key right there. Can you see that? I think it might be a spam key or something. Can't really tell. Anyway. think I'll turn this off for a little while. If I find something, I'll get you back. Well, I just pulled this up, and look at that. The most perfect square nail I've ever caught. Doesn't even need to be cleaned. Just get the mud off of it. It's perfect. Woo! I get excited about square nails, I'm sorry. The rest of it's just crunching much, but I had to show that because it's awesome. I hope y'all be able to hear me. There's a train going by. It feels like he's been going for half an hour. Don't know what that is, but that's what I got, along with some sticky crunchy munch. Alright, I saw a bunch of big old stuffy stuff coming up. If I can get it past that root. Yep, a magnet is full. Look at there, hammerhead. Hammerhead shark right here, y'all. What did Jeff Jackson say those things were? They're not fuel injectors, they're what? Intake valves. There you go, Jeff Jackson. Found another one today. Don't look like much of anything else, just... Oh, there's the blue and white enamel pot we always find. And more crunching munch. Woohoo! Okay, I just moved from way over there to over here. I can't really turn around or else I'm going to fall. But I found this on land. It's one of them. There's a bunch of stuff right there. I won't be able to get that piece there out because it's stuck in the bank, and I think that's a bed frame. But I'm going to try to get whatever's there, and then I'm going to fish over here and see what we can get. Look at those roots over there, y'all. Isn't that beautiful? You got to stop and just look at nature once in a while, man. My herring! I see it way down the way. Oh, he's going the wrong way. Ah. Alright, my first throw out. I'll get my first pull in from over here. Bunch of crud. Alright, I'll bring you back whenever I find something. Second pull in coming. Loaded. Oh, man. Look at all this garbage. You can tell this has never been fished over here. Look at all that crunchy munch. Sure I'm glad we're getting it out. But good Lord. Well, that throw, George almost killed me. And also got a tiny hammerhead with no claws on the back. Tiny. So I've got a big one and a small one today. And the rest is just crunchy munch. Alright, just pulled it up this time. I got this like piece of chrome or something. It's got two little scoopies on the end. I don't know what that is. That's cool though. And just more crunchy munch. I see something big coming up on it this time. Let's see what it is. It's an eel. It's one of those big old whatever with the tread on the end of it. And this is a caster wheel, I can tell. And then just stuff. I see something interesting coming up. I do. If I can get it up here without the weeds taking it, and they took it. I have to go back after that. Oh, I got a pocket knife. Yeah. I don't know if it's in there or not because it's all crudted up. I'm trying to go back after that thing. I'll tell you when I get it. Alright, I think I got it this time. Yep, I got it. Well, that's what that is. It's something. I do not know what, but that's what that is. There you go, one of them. Oh, here it comes up. Loaded again. Let's see what it is. Amongst all the kudzu. Big old piece of cast iron. Smaller piece. And crud. Alright, I got a load coming up again. There's so much metal in the bank, it's catching on everything. And I can't tell what it is because it's in the bank. Oh, good Lord. Looks like some kind of handle, maybe. Got a real manky spark plug. And just a bunch of crunchy munchy. Alright, y'all. This one, I got some braided wire and a bunch of crud, but I got a baby monkey wrench, pipe wrench, whatever. Isn't it cute? Bug tried to go in my mouth. Isn't that cute? There's that one though. Well, we got 2 5-gallon buckets full of scrap out of here so far today. Sorry, just streaming this. Cleaning it. Got news on his brother. They had to go ahead and do a quadruple bypass, but he's out and he is better colored than he had before he went in. So, yay! Okay, I haven't been able to show you every single thing because my battery's almost dead. But I got this belt buckle about half an hour ago. And just now, look what's in there. Look what's in there. Ooh, wee, it's a padlock, baby. Nice. And then some crunchy munch. Well, look. It's beautiful. Okay, I don't know if y'all can see, but right over there is a tree that's the trunk and it's going towards the water. It looks like on this side, Squidward. Big head, big nose, and one arm sticking up. On the left side of that tree trunk right there. I don't know if you guys can see that, but that is funny as all get out. Hello, and how are you? We came, I was over there yesterday. You can't see it, but it's way over there. We decided to come down some more, and we're using the little magnets to see if anything's in here, to know if we could use the big ones. And we can't go any further down that way because there's no more way to access the water safely. So we're going to try this spot and then we'll start moving back up after we deal with this spot. Let's see what our first cast got us. Oh Lord, it's loaded. Yep. Oh, caught on a root and a bunch of stuff just flung off. What I did get, woo-wee. A big old square bolt, nut with a bolt in it. A friggin' battery that's already exploded and done its damage. And a whole bunch of crunching munch. Looks like that's gonna set the tone. And I'll get back to you and let you know what I do get. Well, I just got my second padlock. But it's on something. I don't understand, but there it is. Nothing else to report, just that. Here's my second pullback. Look here, Stuart. I got a fork, a piece of fork, just for you. And the rest of it's just crunchy munch, pointy stuff. I just pulled this up. Looks like a handcuff key or something. It's tiny, but I know it's a key. If I'm ever able to clean it up, I will definitely let you know, but I'm saying it's a key. I gotta hurry up and film because the train's coming, but I got a butter knife blade. Alright, y'all. See that where I'm pointing over there? There's a piece of island over there. I don't even know if you can see it from here. Anyway, I just crawled down there because I saw something wonderful. Let me show you what I found while I was there. This is an old roller skate. You would put your shoe here, your foot here, and this would go back and forth to adjust. There's your heel plate, and then it would have a leather strap. And on here would be the wheels on both sides. But no, they're gone. But yeah, that's an old roller skate. The kind I learned how to skate on. And then I found a file. And then, what else did I get? This is what I went for. I saw it all the way down there. Can't help it, had to have it. And then this was an added bonus, man. This is awesome. It's only the front, but this is an old. Look, it's still got the little ding right there. This is where the dial would be. This is an old either ham radio or CB radio. And or linear, he said, and it's still got the little quick clip up and down there. There's the back of it. Of course, you know, it's, no more. But, man, I was really happy and pleased to get that. But I went down for the Mac Daddy. That's a lot of stuff for just for one little. And there's so much stuff I can see just at the edge of the water. I'm going to have to fish over there next time. And George is going to have to fish here. Do what? We're going to be here for years. Yeah, we'll be here for years. Alright, y'all, I just pulled in and I got a padlock. Little square one. Could be a master. I don't know though. It looks different. You can't tell. I don't care. I love it. Let's see what else we got. Bunch of crud. Whole bunch of crud. Yep, just a bunch of crud it looks like. That's weird. Don't know what that was. Anyway, Big shout out to Joan Rose. She's one of the people that said they like our videos longer. Hey, Johnny and Maddie, if you're watching this, y'all need to get out here, man. We need help. Okay, guys. I'm pulling my magnet in. This is going to be my last one for the day. My back and my neck are killing me.
It's been a day out here pulling up a lot of stuff, lots and lots of weight. We're going to be here for the next couple of years anyway.
There's so much metal down there on that little island where I'm hitting to get up here.
Anyway, Maddie and Johnny, if you're listening, you come up here. You got places here.
Okay. Some sort of nondescript broken plate. And just more random tetanus. Okay. Good thoughts, good words, good deeds, y'all.
Oh yeah, good thoughts, good words, and good deeds.
I know I say goodbye, but the one more got to me. And it's probably a good thing. I got a transistor. A tiny little pulley. I mean tiny. It's all crudted up. You can never get that cleaned out. That's what that is. I got a bottle can opener, an old one. We like those. I got a butter knife handle. And I don't really see anything else. I just had to show all that stuff. Yep, that's it. See ya.